Siddharth, good afternoon to you and welcome to this program of Just a Minute. You as the Western Region Chairman has been very active, and Western Region traditionally has been the most densely populated with the EMA members. So tell me, what are your plans and what are you doing to provide value to EMA members in the Western Region of India?
Sunilji, as a Western Region Chairman, I always want to help our members to grow in their business and to have their personal growth. So I always focus on the programs where the members are able to conduct their business in a better way and also to sharpen their skills as well as their employees' skill, so they can take better decisions when they are taking some decisions.
Right. And we have been under lockdown now for almost 2 months. In this change scenario, what have you done and what you intend to do, particularly once the lockdown is opened?
Sunilji, now this is a very critical time for all the industries. This is the time when our members are worried that whether they will get more business, what about their payment, their cash flows. So we have identified all this and we have conducted programs to solve their problems. Now, if you see that during this lockdown period of more than 50 days now, we have conducted more than 25 webinars with various discoms, with various utilities, and we have taken up this point on behalf of our members. What is going to be the business? What about the cash flow? Can we get paid for our part service what you have given, or whatever part products what we have given? Can we get our bank guarantees being released, so we can have better cash flow available for future business? So we went out of the way. Almost we have done 25 webinars and we have talked to all the discoms, utilities, and it has worked. Government has also understood our problem and they have also decided to help. So this was the worry which our members had, and we have talked to various agencies and we are getting results. So I feel that this was the need of an hour where we could do something better. Now those have gone. So my focus now is to organize skill development for all the business owners and decision makers. So we have planned one seminar on leadership. This Saturday we have partnered with Goldratt India, where we are going to learn TOC, theory of constraints, and we are going to do a proper workshop where we will be training our members to teach them how to conserve cash during crisis. So these are the kind of programs which we want to do and make best use of time which is available today.
What do you think, Siddharth, will be the world like, or the world of our business? Our business will be conducted post-COVID, and how do you see the utilities conducting business? Because post-COVID, even after vaccination, when it comes, certain things would have changed. The world would have changed. The world has changed actually. So how do you see our business and our utilities and our other stakeholders also, behaving in the changed world?
Sunilji, we have talked to all these utilities and all that, and we have never got an answer from them that they are going to cancel their projects or they are going to stop some project or anything. The answer has been quite encouraging that there may be a slight delay, but they will definitely go ahead with the project, and they have new projects which are lined up. So those will also take place. So I feel as far as India is concerned, if everything goes well and government gives a go ahead to start with even 50% of the capacity, our demands will remain intact. In fact, lot of imports has not happened. All the shells have dried up. So I feel that there'll be a surge in demand for a shorter period of time. So it should not be a problem. But my main worry is from the foreign countries, where as far as our exports are concerned, these countries may not be able to cope up as fast as India.
Okay.
So business will take a temporary hit. Cash flows is going to be a major concern, and for this next 2-3 months is going to be a challenging phase for the industry.
But I'm sure Indian industry is resilient enough, innovative enough, and confident enough to overcome
Yes,
this crisis. And
right.
I compliment you, Siddharth, for doing such sterling work during a crisis, and wish you all the very best. Thank you very much, Siddharth.